Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has warned all government servants be punctual or face the music. Chief Minister said that he will continue with his surprise visits to government offices. He also informed that he will take strict action against those officers who are found absent during duty hours. Chief Minister also cleared that post of the State Information Commissioner will be re-advertised. Earlier selection of candidates stand null and void.
The person will be sacked. आता तांकां punishment जातले, but that will be minor warning, half day off, full day off, like that punishment will happen. But if this kind of thing is tracked again, I will promise you there will be at least 8 or 10 people who will get a break-in service. हांव वतलो, म्हाका कोण लागना मदीं, हांव वतलो, ज्या डिपार्टमेंटान एनआरकी आसा त्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या हेडाचेर will be punished for it if there is a lethargy. I will give 2 weeks time for everyone to correct himself. Circular somara watle, guaranteed. After that 2 or 3 weeks time will be given. They should go and tighten the screws. If they can't tighten the screw, I will tighten their screws. So it will be that selection has been declared null and void. We have rejected the selection because of some technical problem. Which संबंध ते चालू असताना कोर्टाचे तरे डिसिजन आयले त्यामुळे इंटरप्रिटेशन तो सारको आमकां मेळून नासलो. Now what has been interpreted is like this, that one of them has to have experience in law and this fact has to be mentioned in the advertisement. So re-advertise.
Government has approved upgradation of 39 government medical colleges, including the Goa Medical College. GMC has received an amount of 16.07 crores from Centre for its upgradation. The central government has provided financial assistance to Goa Medical College for strengthening and starting new postgraduate courses. The Union Health Minister stated this in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday.
The central government has provided financial assistance to Goa Medical College under centrally sponsored scheme for strengthening and upgradation of the state government medical colleges for starting new postgraduate courses, creating postgraduate seats. With funding pattern of 75% by central government and 25% by the state government. Under this scheme, out of the central share of rupees 16.60 crore, an amount of rupees 16.7 crore has been released to Goa Medical College. The Health Minister stated this in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. The central government has also approved upgradation of 39 government medical colleges, including Goa Medical College in the third phase of Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana at an approved cost of rupees 150 crore per college. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Nobody can destroy my values by burning my effigies. This is PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar's reply to the Sashtikars who condemned him for ban bikini remark. Dhawlikar says he is fully aware of the good and the bad. Dhawlikar, while speaking to media in Margao, also reiterated that he doesn't know Muthalik and Muthalik will not be allowed to rule the state.
म्हजी इफिजी जरी जळ्ळी तरी म्हजे संस्कार म्हजे विचार कोण जोडूंक शकना. हांव ज्या संस्कारांनी विचारांनी वाडलां ते विचार लोकां पर्यंत पावोवपाचो प्रयत्न हांव आसको पर्यंत करतलो. ह्या संस्कृतीक कोणूच हात लावंक शकलो ना आनी वेस्टर्न संस्कृती पासून आमी फरागत रावचें अशें हांव लोकांक म्हणटा. मुतालीक आनी हाका म्हाका संबंद ना. मुतालिका हांव वळखय ना आनी मुतालिकाक हांवें पळोवंकूय ना आनी मुतालीक येवन गोंयांत मेळत तें करपाक आमी दिवचें ना. आमी जाणा आमी कितें करपाचें तें. जेन्ना हांव स्वता जाणा मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर जाणा गोंयांत कितें जाय.
South Goa ZP chairperson Nelly Rodriguez said pubs should not be allowed to operate till 4 in the morning.
And आमचे youth and भुरगीं आमचे future आणि tourism लागून आमकां 12 वरांचे ओके आहा, 4 वरांचे जे बार गोत आसाय ते जावपाक जायना. I am opposing it as a woman because most of the ladies, it is not good in the families when the gent comes home after at 4 o'clock in the morning. So we are opposing 4 o'clock. जे तुम्ही लायसन्स दिताय ते हांव जाल्यार एगेन्स्ट आसा आनी आमकां जाय कित्याक 4 o'clock तो राहा जाल्यार आमची यूथ आनी चोर पिडे जातली हें आमी वॉयस कोत्ताय.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar was the chief guest at the felicitation program organized by South Goa Zilla Panchayat. Students excelled in SSC and higher secondary were felicitated at the hands of Dhawlikar. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Anjana police raided a resort in Arpura on Monday and rescued a minor girl. She was forcibly engaged in flesh trade by 7 people from Orissa. All the accused are arrested and are in police custody. The victim has been sent to Apnagar.
One minor girl has been kept for the purpose of prostitution in MN Resort. Accordingly, we conducted a raid and rescued the girl. She was minor. We recorded her complaint in presence of victim assistance unit and then a registered offence on the complaint of the victim girl. And as per a complaint, she was brought from Orissa by 7 people for the purpose of prostitution. All 7 people are arrested. In the 7 people, 2 of them are ladies. They are also being arrested and placed in lockup. The names of the arrested person are Santosh Gochi, Ghansham Shaw, Narayan Lala, Suraj Rao, Shantanu Kumar, Rubina Jela and Deepa Mai Baria. They have been booked under relevant sections of IPC, Goa Children's Act, POCSO and Immoral Trafficking Act.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.